Hey YouTube, this is the Cashman 2023 here, and right now I'm going to be doing my most dangerous trick I've ever done. I have 4 screws, and each screw is extremely sharp. If they could do that to paper, imagine what they can do to human flesh, and I'm about to find that out. So Justin's my cameraman right here. Justin is going to take all 4 of these screws. Can you see me?
Mm-hmm.
He's going to take all 4 of these screws, stand them up in a square like this. So you're going to take one of the cups and put them over top. And all 3 of the cups are going to be standing up like this. Okay? So Justin, can you do that for me? And I want you to see the eye and turn around. Tell me when you're ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I want you to hold the camera so you can show all 3 of the cups. Justin, I want you to put your hand on top of my hand. So, right now, he's transferring the energy through his hand to my hand. Now, I'm going to go over there and get all 3 of these cups on camera. Now, one of these cups has all 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so since he transferred his energy to me, now, I'm going to see if I know which cup has all 4 screws under it. Now I have a 50-50 chance of either hitting the cup with no screws in it or hitting the cup that has the screws in it. It's going to go straight through my hand. Justin, hold my hand. Okay. Thanks for watching. This is Cashman 2023 signing out. See ya.